How to play Roblox on the school Chromebook if blocked. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to play Roblox on the school Chromebook if blocked. First, navigate to the web browser and search for Roblox in the search bar. Now, reach the Roblox website and log in to your account. Then continue with any game you want. Here, hit the play button to start the game. After that, you can download or install the app. Click robloxplayer.exe to run the Roblox installer, which just downloaded via your web browser. Next, click Run when prompted by your computer to begin the installation process. Following that, click OK once you've successfully installed Roblox. After installation, click Join below to join the action. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.